Hello, everybody, and happy Monday. I know this is a little late. I was in Miami for a wedding. Really nice weather. But this week, our technology lesson will be about Grav. And just to dive into Grav, what exactly is it and what do we even use it for? So, what is Grav? It's a web platform. It's pretty much for people that have domain names that want to build a very easy website that is constantly being checked, that has up to date firewalls, that is constantly being watched and like very easy to process and edit. And you could literally do it with any type of file. You could just upload and get it done. It's also self-hosted management system, which means like there's actually no database at all. It all runs virtually, I believe, I think. So, just learning about Grab. Today's lesson of what we did is how to add a page to your website. Very basic. So I did this with screenshots because I already posted it. So this is pretty much the page area. So you have all this information, dashboard, configuration, pages. We're going to look into pages. This is pretty much adding components of your website. So I already did mine. I have the home page, management, developer buy-in, design buy-in, and I'm pretty much just explaining what Grav is and why it's so great. So let's say we want to make a page. So we're going to hit the add button right over here. And from there, it's going to take us to this screen where you just put the title of the page. It's pretty simple. And from there, you're just going to start typing whatever you want. So you could literally type whatever the document is being used, whatever we feel, or the website you want to be going with. And from there, that's really it. You're going to hit publish, and it's going to pop up. And from there, there could be another lesson on how to extract your domain name into the website of Grav and post it online. But it's pretty basic pages. You literally would just type in here what you want, publish it. And you could do this multiple times. I'm just going to jump back right here. I did 6 of them. You could literally do more than 15 if you want, and there'll be all different components. Also with Grav, it's very easy to edit the fonts, edit the colors, put GIFs, constantly change it. Very easy to uninstall it and install. So we publish it and we hit done. And I just want to go with the closing thoughts. This is a very great tool. I'm sadly not really big into web development, so I kind of had a hard time really learning, oh, what is this specifically? Why would I use this? But the more time I put into it, like the first hour, I was completely confused and I had no idea what was going on. But as I slowly just started reading about Grab, understanding what's the main components of it, why it's so important, I really understood like this is pretty basic stuff. You don't need any type of like hardware or software or like a database to really run this. So like if you're a big company that just needs to put something out immediately, this is such a good platform to use. I really believe so. I believe it should be something that should be taught more. I'm happy I learned it. Probably won't use it in the future, but I'm happy I really got an understanding of it. I also want to say thank you guys for listening in. I'm sorry for my video to be late this week. I will see you guys next week, Sunday, for a different lesson. D. Kufeld out.